Hey YouTube, today I got I bought a microphone, the SnowBall Ice. It's right here. I bought it at Best Buy for $49.99. This is the microphone, the picture. It's the SnowBall Ice. Here's some pictures in the bottom. Line it up. It's a little bit dark, but let me see if get us some better light. Communicate, record, and create. It's a microphone by Blue. Here's the back of it. It works with Skype. This is the back of the case, and also the blue mic, SnowBall Ice. System requirements. I'm gonna unpack it right now. Okay, so I'm gonna unpack this case package real fast right now. So here again it is. Skype, everything. For my battery dies, just put on the sides. The stickers are from Best Buy. What it says is non-refundable. So whatever. Here you go. Packaging, and it's a little bit hard, so the best way to take it out is push the back in, and it comes out real easy. So let me show you again. Okay, so there it is. If you try and pull it out from the outside, it's hard, or you could just take your finger under here and pull it out. Or the easiest way I found out is just push it from the back, like squish it, and that's it. Easy as cake. Okay, so here's the microphone, the light indicator, blue microphones, SnowBall Ice. This is for the tripod that it comes with. I'll show you right now. More designs. Blue, okay. It's a like firewire connection, I believe it is. Let's put it right here. Let me move to the side. Here you just lift it up. Here's the rest of the stuff. SnowBall Ice. Here's the cable. Let's see. See, this one is square, and this one is the USB. All you just do, connect, just make sure it lines up correctly. See, in here, it's only gonna go in one way. See, it doesn't go in this way. So just make sure it's rounded at the top, and it goes in. And here a little manual. Well, not manual, it's just blue microphones, how to set it up, your PC requirements. The same thing that's in the back, how to connect it to the like recording programs or Skype. You can find this on the Blue website for the SnowBall Ice. I'm just showing you real quick. Nothing really important. Maybe you want to see that. Blue. Okay. And this is the tripod I'm saying. It's very light. As you can hear, it's plastic. It's not the same as this one. It feels like a pencil. Like a number 2 pencil. tripod. Let me just connect it in the bottom. See, it just goes there. Okay, it's not going in correctly. Make sure it goes in because it's gonna be crooked. So okay, so there it goes. Just lift the legs, and that's a microphone. This is just basically it. And the microphone tilts up since it has that ball. Oh, tilted down. See? Let me lower the camera a little bit. Okay, so here it is. Like I showed you. Here's the USB, it's not connected. I'll put a test at the end so you could listen to the quality. So this is what I was telling you. Tilts down, tilts up. That's the only way it doesn't go to the sides. So that's it for the blue microphone. Hope you like this, and I'll put a little test right now at the end so you could listen to it. It's a good quality. This is my camera, and right now after this you'll hear the audio quality. Okay, see you then. Okay guys, this is my test. I'm about let's say 6-7 inches away from the microphone. I guess here's where I'm gonna do my tutorial from. This is the SnowBall Ice microphone that I bought, that I told you I was gonna do the review on. So I hope you liked how it sounds, and let me know what you think. Now I can do more videos on the computer since I didn't have a microphone. So this is again, this is a blue SnowBall Ice microphone. This is a test, and I hope you like it. See you later.